Hello friend, in this tutorial we are going to continue the SEMA session. Okay, so how we can alter owner of SEMA. Okay, let's see how alter ownership. So the syntax is alter SEMA name, alter SEMA name, and owner to like rename to new name. Similarly, owner to new owner, but owner to suppose Prathamesh. But which table is now we are using, so we can see with the help of show search path. We are in public and inside the oh, we are in public SEMA. So and the SEMA name is public. In the syntax, write the table, write the info. Okay, alter SEMA public owner to Prathamesh, like that. Run written successfully. Now, if I go inside the public SEMAs of Institute database, let's see. Inside the table, inside the public SEMA. If I right click here and refresh, okay, let's see. Now the owner is Prathamesh. So I can I can back I can change back to Postgres. Okay, written successfully. If I right click on public and properties, you can see that it now become Postgres. You can change it from here also. Postgres. So that's it. Okay. So how we can alter a owner name? And then the important part here is how we can duplicate a same schema with all table, record, everything. Let's see. Suppose create a new database test that we have created in previous tutorial. Let's see. Let's create from scratch. Create database. Database name is suppose test. Similar. Oh, this test is still not built. Okay, new test or test one. Let's say test one. Create database test one. Is new and run the query. The database will be created successfully. Let's run queries inside this table or change search path to that database. Now we can okay. Let's open a query tool for this database. So here you can do this. Okay, let's create some table inside this table. Inside this database, create table. Suppose music has ID integer and name or title worker. Okay, the table is created successfully. So now we can run a query. Okay, suppose insert some data into it. insert into music id title values 1 something 2 something. Okay, 4 values were inserted. Okay, now let's run the query. That's it. So let's see the data. Now duplicate the schema public with all data. Inside schemas we have by default created a schema, public schema. Inside this schema all data table is created. So the table magic is created. So if we want to duplicate this public schema, okay, let's see how we can do this. So we need to dump a SQL file so that we can fetch it again. So the dump SQL file means we are saving everything from this public schema to our .sql file. Okay, let us see how we can do that. The syntax is pgdump, like a pg type of pgdump is a function of PostgreSQL. Okay, pgdump hyphen d database name hyphen d followed by database name. Suppose database name is something. Okay, let's see. The syntax is pgdump hyphen d database name hyphen h localhost on which host what is the username host username hyphen n the schema name that we want to change our public or schema name. You can see here schema name that you want, and followed by this arrow greater than arrow, and the name you want to give this file and .sql. That's it. This is the syntax. Okay, let's copy and delete. Let's open a terminal or command prompt as your operating system. So I am opening my command prompt. Inside this okay,